Hello everyone, and welcome to experiment number 3, Forward Bias Diode Characteristics. Forward Bias Diode Characteristics describes the relationship between current and voltage. So, in this video, we will show you how a diode behaves when it is forward biased. So, let's start the experiment. So, here are the materials and parts needed. Potentiometer, multimeter digital and analog, 1 unit R2K analog trainer, 1K ohm resistor, silicon diode, and connecting wires. Next, we attach the positive and ground wires to the power supply. Using a digital multimeter set to 20 voltage DC. We connect the probes to the positive and ground wires. Then, we slowly adjust to positive voltage adjustment knob of the power supply until the meter indicates 10 volts DC. So now, let's construct the circuit. Here is the provided schematic diagram. Attach the potentiometer and connect the one end of resistor to terminal B. Now, for diode, connect the anode to the other end of resistor. Connect the black jumper wire of ground supply to the negative bus and red jumper wire to the positive bus. Next, connect the orange jumper wire in positive bus of the power supply to the terminal A of the potentiometer. And the white jumper wire is connected to the cathode of a diode into the terminal C of the potentiometer, while the yellow jumper wire is in negative bus of the power supply to the cathode of a diode. And now, our circuit is ready. Measuring the voltage and current. Since the current is given in this experiment, we then set the digital multimeter to 200 milliamps and measure the current first until it gives 0.4 milliamps. After fixing the current, we switch the multimeter to 20 volts and then we measure for voltage across the diode and it shows 0.50 volts. Repeatedly, we do the same steps until 5 milliamps. As you can see from our table, it shows that a diode allows current to flow when it's forward biased, but it requires a certain threshold voltage to start conducting effectively. And as the current increases, the voltage across the diode also increases slightly. And that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching.